Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Figma on Windows laptop. Figma is the famous UI and UX design tool to create the prototype design, the website and mobile apps. Most of the UI design are using the Figma to create the mobile apps. This video shows how you can download and install the Figma on your Windows laptop. So first you have to open the figma.com website. Here you have to click on the products, then you have to click on the downloads. In the Figma downloads page, you have to scroll down. Under the desktop app, you have to click on the desktop for Windows. So now the exe has been downloaded. So once download is completed, you have to double click on this. It will be open the installer window. Here first you have to sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you have to create one. I already created the Figma account, so I just logged in. Once login authenticated, you have to click on the open the desktop app. So it will be asking for the confirmation window. Here you have to click on the open Figma. So now the desktop app has been opened. So now you can able to create the design with this desktop app on Windows laptop. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.